Good morning, students. I have made this video to clear your doubts. I hope you are understanding the rest of the questions. Whatever questions you have confusions, whichever you have informed me in the group, I am doing those only in this video. Okay, so I hope you will go to this video and you will understand it completely. Okay, so the first question that you have doubt is question number 3 from exercise 9.3, and what question number 3 is asking? It is asking to find the product. Okay, you can consult your book. In question number 3 they are asking the product. Okay, and in Roman number 4, what is the exact question we have? X into x square into x cube into x to the power 4. Okay, that's 4 actually. I've written with pencil, so that's not yet properly clear. That's not properly clear. Okay, so as you can see, I repeat once again question: x into x square into x cube into x to the power 4. Okay, so here they are asking us to find the product. Product means what? Multiplication. We have to multiply what they have given. We have to multiply. Okay, so this was the question, and this is your first step of the answer. So what you have to write? You can write this as it is: x square, x cube, x to the power 4. So here we have written as it is. We have given into in between. Why? Because they are asking product. Okay, so x into x square into x cube into x to the power 4. Okay, next, in next step, this x, this x, this x all are same. Okay, this x is same letter, so I have written that x one time. Okay, and after that in power place. Okay, what else I have written? I have written 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Where did this come from? This came from the power of earlier x. You see, in your first x we can't see anything here. So, and I have told you many times that when we can't see any number, we can imagine that 1 is there. 1. Okay, but in example do not write 1. Tell you. So this 1 is here, then this 2 is here, this 3 is here, this 4 is here. Okay, so what actually is happening here? Listen very carefully. You have to multiply all these x, is not it? Yes. So that's why we have, and this x all are same, so we have written only one x. And what are the powers? 1 2 3 4. So when you are multiplying, at that time your power will always be added up. So your power here was 1 2 3 4. So if we add 1 2 3 4, simple maths here. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So I have written only one x, but power I have had all the numbers present here. Okay, this was very simple. Okay, then next, some of you have also told that you have confusion in question number 3, Roman number 5, but I can see Roman number 5 here in my question. Okay, anyway, question number 4a. In a, what they are saying? They are saying simplify this and find its values for x equal to 3, x equal to half. Okay, so here they are asking us to simplify. They have given some polynomials, and what you have to do, find its values for x equal to 3 and x equal to half. So remember, whenever you get question like this, simplify this, that, and they are giving x equal to something, at that time, remember, you always have to put x equal to that something in that polynomial. So try to understand what I'm saying here. Okay, so what is the polynomial given to us? This one is the polynomial given to us. Okay, all right. Now what we have to do, you see in this polynomial bracket is there or not? You see 3x into 4x minus 5, bracket is there. So your target is to first of all remove the bracket. Okay, your first target is to remove the bracket, and you must know that whenever you see bracket between any two numbers, we can think that multiplication is there, into is there. So that's what I did here. First of all, first step, I have written this as it is. Okay, then in next step, to remove this bracket, we need to give into. Okay, so 3x into 4x. Understood? This minus is minus. Now this 3x, from where this come? You must be wondering from where this 3x came. This is very simple. You see, first of all, before bracket was removed, there was only one 3x. Okay, but after you remove bracket, you have to multiply this 3x with both of this and this. This is the rule. Okay, so 3x because of bracket into 4x minus minus again 3x into this 5. Okay, then plus 3. That's alone. Okay, now next, if we multiply 3 into 4, we are getting 12. X into x is x square. 3 4 is 12. That's very simple. Now x into x, how are we getting x square? Because earlier I told you, whenever we are multiplying, we always add up their power. What is their power in this term? You see, in 4x we have 1. We can't see, so 1 is definitely there. Here also 1 is there. Okay, so 3x into 4x is 12x square. Then minus 3 into 5 is 15. Only 1x. 15x plus 3. Okay, then in Roman number 1, what do you have to do? You see above, here they were saying x equal to 3. Did I tell you that whenever they give some polynomial is this one, and they give x equal to something, at that time that something we have to put in this polynomial. Okay, and this one I got from here. That means after removing all the brackets. Okay, so putting x equal to 3 in expression, this one, what we get? 12 is there. I mean, you see, 12, and here x square is there. Now in place of x, we have to put 3. Look, only in place of x I am putting 3. Square will be square. Minus 15. In place of x again 3 plus the original 3. Okay. Now what happens in next step? 12 will be 12, and you know 3 into 3 square is what? 3 square means 3 into 3 to multiply. So 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Next, minus 15, and 15 bracket. If you remove the bracket, you are getting 3 plus 3. Okay. So 12 into 9 you can do in rough. This is 108. Then minus 15 is 45 plus 3. Okay. Then next, there are lots of ways to get the answer. First of all, you can add this one and this one. That means 108 plus 3, you are getting 111. Okay. Then 111, look, 108 plus 3. This is very simple. This is 111. Then 108 plus 3 is 111. Minus 45 is remaining. So here minus 45. If you subtract, you will get 66. Okay. Or you can do like this also. 108 minus 45 is 63. 108 minus 45 is 63. So after plus is left, plus 3. This is 66. Okay. Similarly, what do you have to do? In Roman number 2, x equal to 1 by 2. That means again you have to put this x equal to half in expression. This one. I have already got this one here. Okay. So in x I am putting this half again, so 12 into half whole square minus 15, again x was there, you see here x, so in place of x I am putting this plus 3. Next this 12 I written 12 here, okay, same zooming little bit. Then because I am removing this bracket, so I have given into, then again half whole square, isn't it? Half whole square, so half whole square means what? We have to multiply half 2 times, so half into half, okay. Then minus 15 into 1 is 15 in by 2 plus 3. Okay, now what exactly did I do here? See, first of all I have cancelled this with this. Here 2 is there, and we know 12 goes with 2 6 times, so 2 6 are 12. This is 6. Alright, now 6 is still left there, and one more 2 is there, so 2 3 times is 6. Okay, so if you multiply all the number present here, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, so I have written 3. Then minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now what you can do? You can directly do this one also, or you can try like this also, step by step. So here how I did, this is 3. Before 3 what sign do we have? Plus, and here we have 3 plus. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6. You can do directly like that, but here I did 3 and 3, I've shown you. Then minus 15 by 2. Next, this is that one from previous step. 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 15 by 2. Then I hope you understood how I got 12 here, by taking LCM. Okay, 2 6 is 12, then minus 15 by 2. Okay, now how I got minus 3? 12 minus 15. 15 is greater and minus is with 15, so that's why minus 3 by 2. Okay, next in question number 5b, okay, this question number 5 actually we are asked to add. They have given us 2 separate polynomials or expressions. See, 2x then into z minus x minus y, then again 2y into z minus y minus x. So here bracket is there or not? You can see bracket is there. Here also bracket is there. That means our first step is to remove bracket. Okay, whenever bracket is there, you have to remove them by multiplying. So remember, here in first step I have written as it is. Okay, then to remove bracket I need to do what? 2x into z. And earlier did I tell you, if you are removing bracket, it means you have to multiply this with this first of all, then this, then this. Okay, so 2x into z minus 2x into x minus 2x into y. Okay, then this 2x into z is 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. Okay, similarly here I have written this as it is, removing bracket, so this into this. Okay, after multiplying you are getting this, and they are telling you to add here. So whenever you have to add or subtract, first of all what you will do, you will write this given one as it is. Okay, so you obtain this as it is first of all. Now from remaining one you have to arrange which one looks similar. That means in second one, first one and second one, what is something is similar. So you can see xz is something xz there. Let's say xz, no, nothing is similar here. Then next, x square, do you have any x square there? No. xy, 2xy, number if they are not same but still okay, but xy should be same, variable should be same. So xy, do you have any xy? Yes, this one. So this one will put just below that earlier one, so I put. After that these are not same, so write them separately. And our question here was to add, so you don't need to change any sign here. Below minus you don't need to put plus, below plus you don't need to put minus, you are just told to add. So you can write whatever is there now, 2xz minus 2x squared, and minus a. What is minus a? That's plus Okay, so 2 plus 2 is what? 4. But what sign was with them? Minus. So minus xy plus this as it is. Okay, then in this next is our question number D, subtract. Here we have been given this question, 3a then into a plus b plus c minus 2b then into a minus b plus c from 4c then inside bracket minus a plus b plus c. Okay, so here you have to see that in both this and this expression brackets are there. Okay, brackets are there. It means you have to remove our bracket first. Alright, and second expression, this is our second expression from this. Okay, so this is our second expression. Here also you can see bracket. That means separately we have to remove bracket first, then only we can subtract them. Subtraction is at the end. Okay, only at the last part we'll do subtraction. First of all we have to remove bracket first. For it, what we have to do? See, in answer I have written this and this expression first. So this as it is, this as it is. Okay, then what did I do to remove bracket? I need to do, to multiply them. So 3a into a, this 3a into b plus 3a into c. Okay, this minus is this minus. So just to remove bracket, we have written from here to here. Okay, minus minus, then again 2b into a, then that minus is this minus, then 2b into minus b. Okay, so minus that minus, then 2b into c. You see, 2b into c. Alright, now if we multiply, we are getting all this 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab minus 2ab minus a minus is plus 2, there are 2b's, so 2b square, then minus, you see, that's minus bracket 2b into c, so minus minus plus, sorry, minus plus minus, so minus 2bc. Okay, then next what we'll see whether is there any term similar. For example, you see first term, this is 3a square. Okay, can you see any other a square other than this one? Let's check. AB, AC, B square, BC. No, there is no other a square, so this will be as it is. Okay, then next, here we have got AB, but we did not see single AB earlier. In above step, you see there were 3AB and 2AB. They look similar. Okay, so in 3AB and 2AB, AB, they are variables, so you can write as it is. Now 3 minus 2 is what? 1. And we don't need to write 1. Okay, so you have just kept AB here. Alright, this AB came from this and this subtraction. Alright, then after that 3ac 2b square then minus 2bc. And look, I have given this sign here because you can stop here also, and if you are comfortable you can even go to next line. What I did here, you see 3a square, yes, then 2b square. I am just keeping it in pattern. Okay, so 3a square plus 2b square plus AB, then again BC AC. Actually, first of all, a square b square. A isang b hal a pada do, so a square ding daka, then b square. After that, here I tell you students, a b c ki arrange clay. Then how we will do? You will take AB first. Okay, then next you will take BC, then last of all you can take CA or AC. That's what I did. You see, first of all AB, then BC, then AC or CA, Gromash. Okay, all right. Then here, actually, whatever values or terms we have got here, these were for these two. Okay, then now what is left? Only this one. So this into this. That means because to remove bracket into multiply, so into this. All right. Then at the end, we are getting this minus 4AC multiplying, then plus 4BC plus 2c, so this is 4c square. And again I have given this sign here because you can stop here, or if you are comfortable you can go to next line. What we did here, out of these three, this is the only one with square. Okay, so you can give this first square seko or letter machine da. You see here there are two letters B, C, A, C. That's why letter machine is cutting the bar. So it is 4bc square plus 4bc. You see BC and AC, which one comes first? BC comes first. Okay, because AC is actually like CA. You see this one, first AB then BC then CA. Okay, so that's what I did here. Now, so bracket kamare hi, your value is this. Okay, and here for first and second expression, after removing all the brackets, these are your values. So this is what you have to subtract from this one. So you say subtracting first expression from second expression. This is our second expression. First expression is that one, this one. So you see this is second expression, this is first expression. Then here we need to subtract, is not it? In addition, while adding we did not change sign, but here we have to say change. So this is minus, so become plus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. And look here, before 4c plus was there, but nothing was there in that second line. Okay, so we don't need to change sign, this will be as it is. All right, so this is these are the questions where you have problems from exercise 9.3. all right, hopefully you have understood. All the best from this exercise. Okay, thank you. Okay, in this video I'll talk about exercise 9.4 and 9.5. There are not many questions where you have problems. Okay, so some of you had problems in question number 1, Roman number 5. Okay, so in in question number 1, what they are asking to multiply the given binomials. Okay, so you see one term, two term. So one term, two term. When there are two terms, we call binomials, isn't it? And here one term, two term. This is also binomial. Okay, so we have to multiply this. And when something and something is given inside bracket, inside one bracket, in one bracket, suppose you are given 2 and in another bracket is given 2. That means at that time what you can do, I have always told you, one of these you keep fixed. Here, which one I keep fixed? This one is this plus this minus this. Inside bracket you see minus, minus. That means I've kept this fixed 2 times. 1 time, 2 time. Now what is remaining? I did not take this one till now. So from here you take this one. You write only 1 time, 2pq. Okay, so 2pq you have written, and this one you have already written earlier. Okay, now this plus sign came from here. Okay, 2pq already written here, plus plus, then 3q square, 3q square. Okay, then this one is already this one. Okay, now to remove bracket you can multiply. I did not write one step here, but I think you know how to get this. I got this by multiplying this and this. So if you can write like this: 2pq into 3pq. 2pq into 3pq. 2 3 is 6. P into p is p square. Q into q is q square. Minus is minus. 2 2 is 4. Then p only 1, so p. Then q1, q2 here, so q3. Okay, plus this. Then this into this. 3 3 is 9. P only 1, q2, q1, so q3 minus minus 3 2 is 6. That's 2, 6. Then q2, q2. Okay, that means q square. It becomes q4. All right. But here in last step, you see what actually happened. This, can you see any other p square q square other than this? You see p square q square. This is not square, no. So you will write this as it is. And here PQ square we have this, PQ square we have this. That means we do something with them. What something? You have to understand. Minus sign is there, plus is there. So minus a plus is what? Minus. Okay, that means you will subtract number. So 9 minus 4 is what? 5. Now in minus and plus, which number is bigger? This 9 is bigger, so plus sign. Okay, then minus 6 q to the power 4. So that is very simple. I hope you understood. Next, this is very similar, nothing else and nothing different. This and this, one term, two terms, so binomial, one term, two term, binomial. Then I have just written as it is. Then here you are keeping this fixed inside bracket, this fixed. Now what is remaining? So 1 t here plus a square. Okay, and again multiply, remove bracket, you will get this. Okay, next exercise 9.5. Here you have to use identities. Identities means formula. Okay, so in which question which formula you will use? They have all sometime they give in question, sometime you have to use your knowledge. Okay, so in question number 7, they have already told in question that you have to use a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b formula. Okay, so your question will look like this: something square minus something square. You see here, something square minus something square. So exactly, exact number is 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. Okay, so now if you compare this one with this one, you see something square minus something square, something square minus something square. Okay, matching. So matching, then what you have to do now? You don't have to write this, because question in question you can already see like this. Now your work is to write like this. So a plus b, a minus b, that means something plus something, something minus something. So see here, something plus something, something minus something. From where I got this, you see 1.02, then 0.98. so this plus this, you see, this plus this, then minus this minus, you see, in formula 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Number will be same, only plus minus, sign will be different. Okay, now if we add this and this, this and this, you can add in rough. That's very simple. You will get 2. Then if you subtract this and this, you will get 0.04. Okay, and into I've given because I've removed bracket completely. Now no more bracket. Now what I did, 2 is 2 into. Look, it is very tough for some of you to cancel with decimal. Okay, so you can do like this, 0.04. After decimal, how many digits? 2 digits. That means you will have to give 2 zeros, and before the 0 you have to give 1. And upside that simple number you will put here. So now you can cancel 250 is 100. Then again that 50 can be cancelled with that 2. So 2 2 is 4, 225 is 50. Now what is remaining? 2 by 25. If you divide, you are getting this. Okay. Then finally, question number 8. Here they have given 9.7 into 9.8. All right. You should not multiply this directly. Don't do something like this. You are told to multiply this, and you are doing like this, 9.7 then into 9.8. you'll do 7 is a 56, 5. No, not this method is wrong. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all you write as it is, and in question they have already told you have to use this formula: x plus a, x plus b equal to what? X square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay, you have to use this formula. So 9.7 and 9.8, they are close to which number that ends in 0? Is not this 9.7 close to 10 or 10.0? Yes, they are close to 10. If I talk about 9 and 10, 9.7 is closer to 10. Okay, and 9.8 also closer to 10 than 9. Let's say what we did. To get this 9.7, we have to subtract something from 10. Okay, So 10 minus 0.3. If we subtract like this, then we get this. Then here 10 minus 0.2. If we subtract 0.2 from 10, we are getting this. Now you see this something minus something, something minus something, something minus something, something minus something. But do we have formula like this? X minus A, X minus B? No, we don't have. So what you will do? Be very careful here. You have to listen this again and again to understand. In our formula we have x plus A, x minus x plus B. No minus sign. But here we are getting minus sign. Then what can you do now? Users need to be smart, use a brain. Okay, students. So what do we do now? In our formula we have plus, plus, plus. So no problem. We'll put plus, plus, and this minus will carry weighted number. You just see what I did. 10 is 10. Then plus from that formula. Then that minus 0.3 you are carrying with together. Okay. Here also same 10, 10. That minus you are carrying with that number. Then plus from formula. Okay. And I am giving this bracket because we already have one more bracket inside. Okay. Then now you see something plus something, something plus something. Now see here. Something plus something, something plus something. What we have to write here? X square. What is x in our answer? Here you can see like this. This is x. This is A. This is x. This is B. And that plus is plus. This plus, plus, plus. Now you see x plus A, x plus B. Perfectly sitting the formula. Okay. Now after you see them like this work is finished. You don't need to use this anymore now. Now your work is to use this. So first thing, x square. What is our x? You see 10. So 10 square. Then next plus A plus B into x. Okay, A plus B whole into x. Now where can we write this? What are A and B? You see A is minus 0.3. Don't forget to take minus 0.3. Then B is minus 0.2. So our formula is A plus B. So this is A. Then our formula is A plus B. Is not it? This is A, then B. Our B is, you see, minus 0.2. And we know plus A minus A is minus. Okay, that's why I've written minus here. Then in our formula, after that bracket, what do we have? X. X is, here you see, 10, 10. So x is 10. Then plus AB. That means A into B. Whatever you wrote inside, same number multiplication here. So minus 0.3 into minus 0.2. You can see here, minus 0.3 into minus 0.2. Okay. Next line, 10 square is 100, you know that. Then minus 0.3 minus 0.5. If we calculate them, we are getting 0.5. Okay, minus 0.5. Because minus here, greater one have minus sign, right? Then that outside we have 10. I've written this again. And here, how I got 0.06? You can see above one. Minus 0.3, then minus 0.2. We are multiplying them. Minus is plus. So I've given plus here. Now if you multiply this, you will get this. You can do it. That's very simple. Now 100, then plus and minus is minus. Okay. Now 0.5 into 10. If you multiply, you will get 5. Then this is as it is. 100 minus 5 is 95 plus 0.06. If you add, you are getting 95.06. This is your final answer. Okay. So whatever problem you have told me, I have made a video. So I hope you'll go through this and give your best in tomorrow's exam. Okay. Thank you.